Have you ever seen a helicopter so massive it looks like it could carry a whole building? Well, get ready to meet the undisputed king of the skies. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of the Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion, the largest and most powerful helicopter ever operated by the U.S. military. This isn't just a helicopter, it's a flying fortress, a heavy-lift behemoth that's redefining what's possible in modern warfare and humanitarian aid. So, what makes the King Stallion so special? Let's start with the sheer numbers, because they are staggering. Imagine lifting 3 fully loaded Humvees at once. That's exactly what the CH-53K can do. It has an external lift capacity of over 36,000 pounds, or about 16 metric tons. To put that into perspective, it can lift an entire F-35 fighter jet without the engine. This incredible strength comes from its 3 massive General Electric T408 turboshaft engines, each pumping out a mind-blowing 7,500 shaft horsepower. That's a combined total of over 22,000 horsepower, more than 20 Formula One cars combined. This raw power allows it to fly higher, faster, and in hotter conditions than any of its predecessors, a critical advantage in today's demanding operational environments. But the King Stallion isn't just about brute force, it's also a technological marvel. Step inside the cockpit and you won't find a cluttered mess of old-school dials and gauges. Instead, you'll see a state-of-the-art all-glass cockpit with advanced fly-by-wire flight controls. What does that mean for the pilots? It means the helicopter is smarter, more stable, and easier to fly, even in the most challenging conditions. The system can automatically compensate for wind gusts, reduce pilot workload, and enable pinpoint precision during tricky maneuvers like landing on a ship in rough seas or dropping off supplies in a tight landing zone. This digital brain allows the pilots to focus less on wrestling with the controls and more on the mission itself. The story of the King Stallion begins with a legacy. It's the latest evolution of the legendary CH-53C Stallion family, which has served the Marine Corps faithfully for over 5 decades. The original C Stallion, the CH-53A, first flew back in the 1960s and was a game-changer during the Vietnam War. It was followed by the more powerful CH-53E Super Stallion in the 1980s, which became the workhorse for heavy-lift operations for decades. But as military equipment got heavier and missions became more demanding, the Marines needed something even more capable. They needed a helicopter that could lift more, fly further, and operate in the extreme hot and high conditions found in places like Afghanistan. And so, the CH-53K program was born. The goal wasn't just to make a bigger helicopter, it was to create a smarter, more reliable, and more efficient one from the ground up. Let's talk about the cabin. It's a cavernous space, over 30 feet long and nearly 9 feet wide. It's designed to be versatile. You can fit 2 fully equipped Humvees inside, or a light armored vehicle, or up to 55 combat-ready troops. This flexibility is key. In a combat scenario, the CH-53K can rapidly deploy troops and equipment to the front lines. In a humanitarian mission, it can deliver massive amounts of food, water, and medical supplies to a disaster zone or evacuate dozens of people to safety in a single trip. The new, wider cabin is a direct result of feedback from the Marines, making it easier and faster to load and unload bulky cargo pallets. One of the most impressive features is its survivability. This helicopter is built like a tank. It has ballistic armor protection for the crew and critical components, and its systems are redundant, meaning if one fails, another can take over. It also features advanced threat detection and countermeasure systems to protect it from enemy fire. The airframe itself is made from advanced composite materials, making it stronger and more resistant to corrosion from salty sea air, which is crucial for a helicopter that spends much of its life operating from ships. This focus on durability also means lower maintenance costs and more time in the air, a concept known as increased availability. So, how does it compare to its predecessor, the CH-53E Super Stallion? It's a night and day difference. While they might look similar from a distance, the King Stallion is a completely new aircraft. It can lift nearly triple the external load of the Super Stallion under the same hot and high conditions. This means one CH-53K can do the work of 3 CH-53Es, dramatically increasing logistical efficiency. It also has a smaller shipboard footprint, thanks to its advanced automatic blade and tail folding system. This might sound like a small detail, but on the crowded deck of an amphibious assault ship, every square foot counts. The King Stallion is simply more powerful, more efficient, and more capable in every single metric. The development of the CH-53K wasn't without its challenges. Creating a machine this complex is a monumental undertaking, and the program faced some technical hurdles and delays along the way. But the engineers at Sikorsky and the U.S. Marine Corps persevered, and the result is a testament to modern engineering. The King Stallion is now entering full-rate production and is being deployed with Marine Corps squadrons, where it's already proving its worth in training exercises. It represents the future of heavy-lift vertical flight, providing the U.S. military with a capability that is unmatched anywhere else in the world. Think about the possibilities. A fleet of CH-53Ks could establish a forward operating base in a remote location in a matter of hours. They could deliver heavy engineering equipment to rebuild a bridge after a natural disaster. They could recover other downed aircraft, even another helicopter of a similar size. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a strategic leap forward. The King Stallion ensures that the Marine Corps can project power and provide aid from the sea. Anywhere in the world, without relying on fixed runways, it is the ultimate logistical tool, the strong back that will carry the Corps into the future. From its immense power and smart technology to its rugged survivability and versatile mission capabilities, the CH-53K King Stallion is truly in a class of its own. It's a symbol of American ingenuity and a critical asset for the men and women who serve. This flying giant is more than just a machine. It's a promise that no matter how heavy the load or how tough the conditions, the mission will get done. What an incredible piece of engineering. It's amazing to see how far helicopter technology has come. Thanks so much for joining us on this deep dive into the mighty King Stallion. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about incredible military technology, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next one.